Hi guys and girls, welcome back to my channel Dirty Diesel Diagnostics. Today we'll be taking a closer look at relays, mainly how they work. As viewers of this channel are aware, I am a mechanic by trade, so if you have any questions or queries, please feel free to write to me. Now back to it. Relays, what are they? And how do they work? Simply put, a relay is an electromagnetic switch, or a switch in its basic form. When looking at a relay, you will see 4 or 5 numbers on the underside of the relay, where the pins come out. The numbers are as follows: 30, 87, 86, 85. You may sometimes have a relay with an extra number being 87A. We will talk about how this is used in a later episode. For now, let's focus on the basics. Relay pinouts. What does what? Let's take a look at the two separate functions and how they are triggered. First, we will look at the coil circuit. This is pins 85 and 86. You may also hear some people refer to this as the trigger wire or switching wire due to it doing exactly as the name suggests. When this part of the relay is activated, the coil turns into an electromagnet, causing the contact to close. This then closes the contacts on pins 30 and 87, and the circuit that has been connected will either be earthed or powered, depending on which side of the circuit the relay has been installed on. Due to relays constantly being used, they are more prone to wearing out. Let's look at the main components, which wear more often. Let's look at the coil first, which will often fail due to high temperature. This causes the coil to be burnt out, in which case you should be able to smell the burnt coil through the casing. The other component in the coil that is prone to wear are the contacts. They fail due to arcing while the contacts are just about to bridge. So how do we test to see which has failed? When testing to see if a relay has failed, we will need the following: a power source, battery, and a multimeter set to the continuity setting. Connect power source to pin 85 and earth to pin 86. You should hear and feel one of two things. The relay will click, or it will do nothing. If the relay does nothing, make sure you are on the right pins, and if you are on the right pins, the coil has failed. On the other hand, if you hear and feel a click, take your multimeter and place probes on pins 30 and 87. You should get a constant audible beep. If you are getting no sound, the relay's contacts may be damaged. So this concludes this episode on relays. I hope I have made it a little easier for you to understand. If you have something you are struggling with mechanically or electrically, please comment below and I'll do my best to get to you. Thanks for watching. Till next time, please like, share and subscribe.